Alright guys, what's up? So I'm here to answer a quick question on how you make your GoPro GPS data metrics work with your Hero 8. First of all, I'm going to put a link down in the description to my video about GoPro's dirty little secret. You need to watch that first if you have a Hero 8 or a Hero 9. If you have a Hero 7, you don't, a lot of that won't apply to you. But if you have a Hero 8 or a Hero 9, go watch that video so you can figure out what the heck is going on. Alright, so the Hero 8. The Hero 8 is not compatible with Quick for PC, at least at the time that I'm making this video. So we have to use our phone to use the GPS data. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. We'll start by going to the GoPro app. Alright, so it's found my 9, which is what I'm filming on, and it's found my other 8. I need to connect to this 8. I'm going to turn this 8 on. It's already on. Okay. I'm going to swipe down. I'm going to go to Preferences. I'm going to go to Connections. I'm going to go to Connect Device. And then I'm going to go to GoPro app. And on my phone, I'm going to go to this plus sign right here because I've never added this GoPro to my phone before. So it's searching. You gotta make sure your Wi-Fi is on as well. Searching. Boom, it found it. GoPro Hero 8 Black. Pair, yes. Connection successful. Alright, leave as Ryan's Hero 8 Black 2. Camera update available. We'll do that later. Let's go. So I'm going to go to View Media. All I have is like one 20-second clip on here of the table, but hopefully the GPS still worked for that, so I can show you. Device to use with GoPro, Ryan's Hero 8 Black 2. Okay, so there it is. It found my one 20-second file of a shot of the table I just made. So I'm going to go into it, select it. You can do these all at once, or I'm going to save this one to app. I hit that arrow up there, and hit save to app. And this was only going to take about 10 seconds to download. Now you can hit View Media. Okay, so here we can play the
important is having a studio setup.
We can play the video. We can edit some stuff. So right here is where you'll add the stickers. You'll hit the pencil icon and you'll go over here to stickers. And here's your options for the GPS. So these say GPS only. So I did not have GPS signal on the camera when I took this 20-second shot. But so you may ask now, how do I make sure I have GPS signal? So whenever you turn on your GoPro, first of all, do not use the quick capture button. That is going to turn the GoPro on as fast as possible, and it's not going to have a chance at getting a GPS signal. So you want to turn it on by holding the mode button. That's the most common mistake I see. And then you want to leave the GoPro on. The longer you leave it on before you press record, the better chance you're going to get a GPS signal. So turn it on, leave it on for a few minutes, swipe down, and you're going to have that icon on the middle left, that white location icon. That needs to pop up white before you have GPS. And you also have to make sure that the GPS is turned on, which you can do in preferences, connections, I believe, wireless connections on. Alright guys, so I'm in a metal building. I'm never going to really get GPS out here. If you're in the woods, this GoPro might have issues getting GPS. but I've never had a problem if you're out in a field, in a relatively open area. Normally it works pretty good. But those are definitely the tips. Never use quick capture. Always turn it on. Let it set for as long as you can and connect to as many satellites as possible. And that gives you your best chance to get your stickers. And remember, the Hero 8 will not work with Quick on PC. The Hero 9 will not work with Quick on PC or this app. The 7 works with both as of now. The 8 only works with this app. That's GoPro's dirty little secret and short of my other video I made. But yeah, so this is how you add the stickers. When you add the stickers, you'll have, like, you hit the button once, it'll pop up here. Then you hit it again, it'll move to this corner. Then it'll move to this corner. And that's how you can place it where you want. You can't really just drag it to where you want. So you don't have as much freedom here as you do with the Quick app. But sorry, GoPro's new cameras don't work with their own app. So yeah, that's how you add it. I wanted to let everybody know because I get questions on this like every single day. And from now on, I'm just going to post a link to this video instead of trying to explain it. So thanks for watching, and good luck with your GoPros.